Hey guys, today's project calls for installing a front glass on a 2007 Ford Ranger. In order to do so, you'll have to remove the door panel. To start out, you'll need a screwdriver, some sort of pick tool, a body panel prying tool, and a T20. Without further ado, let's get into the rest of the video. So first thing you want to do is locate the two screws that are holding in the door panel. There's one in the little door pocket, and then there's one in the bottom left hand corner. Once you have those two screws out, I started by working my way to the bottom left hand corner of the door panel. I was able to get my little pry tool in there and pry it open, and then I worked my way up towards the ceiling with that door panel. And then afterwards I worked around the door panel and tried to get it free. And then I did forget that I had to remove the little window door handle that my Ranger has. So that's where that T20 came into play. After I removed that handle, I was able to get that door panel free. It pretty much just fell off after that point. There's the door panel. And then here, what you're looking at is the new glass is already installed, so I'm going to do my best and explain how to get the new glass in, or if you're taking it out, just reverse the steps. But I had my coworker help me do this project, and here what you're looking at is the bottom of the glass is held in by two 10mm bolts that we installed using those bolts. What was there prior was two big rivets, so what we did was we took a hole punch and punched those rivets, the center out, and then we took a drill and then drilled out those rivets. Then we were able to slide the glass in from outside of the vehicle down at an angle, and the next step we did was get the sides of the glass in both of the tracks on both sides of the door. Then we were able to slide the bottom of the door where the two holes are in the glass, and then I had these two white holes that held on to the bottom of the glass, kind of clamped it into place, and then you would put the two 10mm bolts through that, or rivets, whatever you are using. It was a pretty simple process. I think anyone can do it. You just take your time and be careful with the glass. Oh, and I got my glass from eBay. I'll put a link down in the description box below if you're interested in seeing what glass I used. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care.